Hello students, welcome to the first video of Science Class 7 Chapter 7 Weather, Climate and Adaptation of Animals to Climate. Students, in this chapter we shall understand the difference between weather and climate and adaptation of animals to different climates. So let us start. First, let us understand what is the meaning of weather. The day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to the temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. is called weather. Students, the weather is present all around us all the time and it is an important part of our life. It controls how and where we live, what we do and what we wear and what we eat. Now come to the next topic, weather report. Students, you might have listened to the forecasters on the radio or TV news predicting the weather. They tell us about the temperature, cloudiness, humidity and whether a storm is likely in the next few days. So, the person who studies the weather is called a meteorologist. And the meteorological department measures the element of weather such as temperature, rainfall, etc. and keep their record. And they also uses data from satellites and analyzes it to forecast weather. Now students, let us understand what are the different elements of weather. The various elements of weather are temperature, atmospheric pressure, humidity, clouds, and rain and wind. So let them understand in detail. First, let's talk about temperature. Students, as we have discussed in our previous chapters, heat, the temperature is the degree of hotness and coldness of the atmosphere. And it is caused by the combination of air, water, and land working together. These three factors heat and cool the regions at different rates. Temperature also varies by time of the day and the season. The day temperature is minimum in the morning and maximum at the noon. Similarly, the temperature is high in the summer and low in the winter. Now, let us talk about second element of weather, atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure is the force exerted by the weight of air on the Earth's surface. Cold air is heavier or dense and therefore exert more pressure than warm air that is lighter and rises up. Now let us know about humidity. Humidity is the amount of moisture present in air. And students, did you know that humidity is measured in percentage? The air over the water bodies is humid while the air over land is dry. And humidity is at the highest level during the rainy season. It is measured with an instrument called hygrometer. Our next element of weather is clouds and rain. Students, clouds and rain also affect the weather of a particular place. Clouds are formed of teeny water droplets suspended in the air, and the clouds eventually fall back to the ground as rain. Amount of rainfall is measured in terms of millimeter. For this, we use an apparatus called rain gauge. Now students, let us understand the term wind. Wind is the movement of air, or in other words, moving air is called wind. It blows from areas of high pressure to those of low pressure, and the speed of the wind also affects the condition of the weather. Now, let us revise what we have learned today. Question 1. The weather at a place depends on A. Temperature, B. Atmospheric pressure, C. Humidity, D. All of these. And your right answer is D. All of these. Question 2. A meteorologist is a person who studies A. Science, B. Weather, C. Space, D. Astronomy. And your right answer is B. Weather. Question 3. Humidity is measured in A. Degree Celsius, B. Degree, C. Percentage, D. None of these. And your right answer is C. Percentage. Question 4. The force exerted by the weight of the air on the earth is called dash. A. Pressure. B. Liquid pressure. C. Atmospheric pressure. D. Gravity. And your right answer is C. Atmospheric pressure. Practice makes perfect. Students, it's time to practice. And your practice homework are on your screen. Students, we will present soon with the next video of this chapter. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.